Friends, today we'll dive into new AI coins that have the potential to stand alongside the best of the best. Right now, major players and even entire nations are turning their attention to this narrative. The US is investing $500 billion into the development of data centers, while Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Apple are integrating AI into their devices and products. So, is it still possible to discover that early-stage project that could deliver massive returns? Is there still a chance to invest in something as profitable as buying Render Network at 10 cents? Let's find out. So, let's not waste any time and dive into the first coin. Vader AI is an innovative project that merges blockchain with advanced autonomous AI agents. Its primary goal is to create a decentralized network of AI tools capable of optimizing complex tasks in business, trading, and data analysis without human intervention. If you check out their Twitter page, you'll find daily analytics on the AI agent narrative across different blockchains. Follow the channel if you'd like your own AI agent that not only analyzes but invests on your behalf. The Vader token is the core element of the ecosystem, functioning as a tool for interacting with AI agents, staking, rewarding participants, and governance decisions. By the way, there are currently around 533 million tokens staked, which, based on the current market capitalization, amounts to $34 million. This is an insane figure, considering the project is still relatively new. Through the token, users gain access to features that allow them to automate risk management, optimize portfolios, and enhance trading results. One standout aspect of Vader AI is its integration of meme culture elements, making the brand recognizable and appealing to a broader audience. But behind the flashy exterior lies a serious approach to implementing practical AI solutions that can be applied in the real world. As of now, the project's market capitalization is only $65 million. I want to remind you that this coin and all others mentioned in this portfolio are not financial advice. These are purely my opinions and market analysis, so always do your own research. Moving on to the next token, AI Rig Complex, a unique platform that integrates cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies with the blockchain ecosystem. The project's goal is to provide a transparent, secure, and decentralized infrastructure for developers, businesses, and users looking to implement AI solutions into their processes. One of ARC's key concepts is handshakes, intelligent agreements between users and AI agents. These agreements enable automated interactions applicable across various fields, from business processes to personal assistance. Importantly, each user retains full control over their data, ensuring security and personalization. ARC stands out with its tokenomics. The ARC token drives the platform's economy. It is used for accessing AI services, participating in decentralized governance, and stimulating ecosystem growth. The token's limited supply ensures long-term value and stability. ARC's decentralized infrastructure eliminates dependence on centralized servers, offering a transparent and scalable platform for AI solutions. The project aims to democratize access to artificial intelligence, opening new possibilities for innovation and collaboration. Interestingly, the ARC token has recently started gaining important listings on major exchanges, which is always a plus, as it brings in significant liquidity. However, these listings are currently limited to futures trading, but there's a strong possibility we'll see spot listings soon. Now, moving on to the third asset in this selection. Masa is building a leading decentralized network for AI data and large language models. Users can own, share, and monetize their data and computational resources for AI applications. While similar projects like Theta Network exist, Masa stands out with its innovative solutions. Masa offers interesting utility. Its analytical data is used by well-known projects such as Near Protocol, Polygon, and the crypto exchange OKX. Additionally, the project has a dedicated division that helps other teams launch their products, tokens, and more. A large list of teams has already used these services, including big names like Base and Injective. I personally believe that Masa has significant growth potential due to support from leading market players and its ability to capture market share from Theta Network. Overall, Masa is a truly interesting project, collaborating with major players in the market and making substantial contributions to the industry. Yet it remains under the radar with a market capitalization of just $41 million, which is incredibly low. Now, let's move on. Moving on to another relatively small AI agent project. I've already talked about this token, but right now it's experiencing a noticeable dip, making it an interesting option to consider. Griffin is an innovative project in the AI agent space, revolutionizing how users interact with the blockchain in the Solana ecosystem. This platform is designed to coordinate a network of autonomous agents capable of performing a wide range of on-chain tasks, offering a new level of efficiency and automation. Griffin's main advantage lies in its two types of agents: personalized and specialized. Personalized agents are fully customizable by users. You can provide instructions, update their memory, and tailor them to specific tasks like on-chain actions or information retrieval. Specialized agents, on the other hand, are developed by Griffin's team and focus on specialized functions such as trading, analytics, or managing interactions between ecosystems. The user-friendly chat interface allows even beginners to easily manage these agents. Griffin maintains exclusivity by granting access only to selected users through invitations or special tokens, such as Saga Genesis tokens. This approach not only ensures high user engagement, but also creates a sense of uniqueness for platform users. A key player in the development of Griffin is Tony Placencia, a leading expert in blockchain and artificial intelligence, who is driving Griffin's integration with Solana. Thanks to Solana's high speed and low transaction fees, this blockchain is an ideal fit for these technologies, ensuring maximum performance and accessibility for AI agents. Griffin isn't just a project, it's an entire ecosystem promising to become a major player in the AI agent space. Its integration with Solana and focus on innovation open up new opportunities for users and developers alike. Now let's move on to the final project in this selection, Virtual's Protocol. This decentralized platform is dedicated to creating and monetizing AI characters that integrate into virtual worlds such as games, metaverses, and online platforms. The project allows users to create autonomous and functional digital characters for various scenarios, ranging from entertainment to business. Virtual simplifies the process of creating AI characters by providing tools for real-time implementation. These characters can include digital replicas of real people, movie heroes, or assistants for user interactions. Contributors to the ecosystem, model developers, data providers, integrators, are rewarded for their input. Every created piece of content or model is recorded as an NFT, ensuring uniqueness and transparency. Integrating AI characters into applications is quick and simple, reducing costs and accelerating product launches. All platform improvements are voted on and implemented through the community, maintaining high quality and attracting top talent. Virtuals also opens new revenue streams for content creators, allowing them to monetize their ideas and characters. Virtual's protocol showcases how artificial intelligence and blockchain can create new business models, making it a project with immense potential worth considering for investment. And that's all for today. Remember, these are just my thoughts on the market and not financial advice. Always do your research before investing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coin reviews. See you next time.